All right. The painting is officially done with the, what you call the flip house. Beautiful color blue. God, that is a pretty color blue. Now we gotta go in and do all the touch-ups on Monday after the holiday. But God, there's a lot of junk to throw away. The painting, God, this looks so pretty. So glad I went with the color blue. And then it's not really white. That's a white with a tint to it. God, that looks pretty. God, so much crap to throw away. More junk to throw away. Finally did the cabinets, the floors. Put these in, put that in, put that in. This is cool, by the way. Old refrigerator, old this, but it's been there. We're gonna replace these soon. Fix that thing. Painted the door. Remember, like I said, we got a lot of touch-ups to do on Monday. But this thing is coming along. I think the last thing we'll do before I concentrate on the outside is laminate wood flooring here. Gotta buy the subfloor and then the laminate wood flooring. My toy. Yeah, it looks great, man. It looks great. God, that's a pretty color blue. We went with the spray gun. It was so much fun. What a big difference paint makes. Okay. Let me get out of here. Let me leave some lights on. Let me throw some bullshit away. Let's see. Here we go. Turn that off. It goes in here. Turn this on. I'll leave this on. You know what? I'll turn those. Let's leave this on. There we go. And turn this off. All right. Let me tell you what we've been doing. Okay, it's dark out here in the fucking woods. But anyway, before I do the landscaping, we have 17 trees here. All 17 trees. Here, I'll show you. Let me walk out here. It's quite a walk. All 17 trees are in this fire right here. And we've been burning and burning. I still got 2 more piles to go, but we pretty much got it. It should be all burned by Monday. Tomorrow I'm gonna go by and with my tractor and start piling more in here and then just watch it burn. Alright, have a good one, guys. But man, they're so dark. That's the house all the way out there. And this is my favorite part. I don't know if you guys see the stars. Here's a car coming. It's country ass road. You got a neighbor like far away. All the neighbors are far. Here's my girlfriend right here. Look at this truck. Let's get out of here. Fire's contained. Everything look good. Turn on the light to the house. Oh, let's get out of here. Push start the whip. Have a good one, guys.